little.
Let's learn.
Opposite words.
Elephant is big.
Rat is small.
Big.
Small.
This is day.
This is night.
Day.
Night.
Giraffe is tall.
Rabbit is short.
Tall.
Short.
Tea is hot.
Ice is cold.
Hot.
Cold.
Horse is fast.
Snail is slow.
Fast.
Slow.
He is going up.
He is going down.
Up.
Down.
This is stop sign.
This is go sign.
Stop.
Go.
This is full.
This is empty.
Full.
Empty.
This is open.
This is closed.
Open.
Closed.
He is happy.
He is sad.
Happy.
Sad.
This is hard.
This is soft.
Hard.
Soft.
This is thick.
This is thin.
Thick.
Thin.
He is young.
He is old.
Young.
Old.
He is near.
He is far.
Near.
Far.
This is heavy.
This is light.
Heavy.
Light.
This is lawn.
This is short.
Lawn.
Short.
He is clean.
He is dirty.
Clean.
Dirty.
This is sweet.
This is sour.
Sweet.
Sour.
He is strong.
He is weak.
Strong.
Weak.
They are wet.
She is dry.
Wet.
Dry.
He is sleeping.
He is awake.
Sleep.
Awake.
She is sitting.
He is standing.
Sit.
Stand.
He is pushing.
He is pulling.
Push.
Pull.
He is throwing.
He is catching.
Throw.
Catch.
They are laughing.
They are crying.
Laugh.
Cry.
Cat is inside the box.
Cat is outside the box.
Inside.
Outside.
She is on table.
She is under table.
On.
Under.
This is new.
This is old.
New.
Old.
He is loud.
She is quiet.
Loud.
Quiet.
He is jumping.
He is walking.
Jump.
Walk.
Insect is in the jar.
Insect is out of jar.
In.
Out.
This is front.
This is back.
Front.
Back.
This is girl.
This is boy.
Girl.
Boy.
Here is more leaves.
Here is less leaves.
More.
Less.
She is above table.
She is below table.
Above.
Below.
This is woman.
This is man.
Woman.
Man.
This is turn on.
This is turn off.
Turn on.
Turn off.
He is alone.
They are together.
Alone.
Together.
Cat is behind box.
Cat is in front of box.
Behind.
In front.
He is fat.
He is thin.
Fat.
Thin.
He is active.
He is lazy.
Active.
Lazy.
This is left direction.
This is right direction.
Left.
Right.
This is ancient design.
This is modern design.
Ancient.
Modern.
He is healthy.
He is sick.
Healthy.
Sick.
It is sunny day.
It is cloudy day.
Sunny.
Cloudy.
He is running.
He is staying.
Run.
Stay.
There are many balls.
There are few balls.
Many.
Few.
Tool is to break.
Tool is to fix.
To break.
To fix.
She is on top.
She is at the bottom.
On top.
Bottom.
This is fresh fruits.
This is stale fruits.
Fresh.
Stale.
Please like and subscribe. And press the bell icon. Thank you.